If you want to make sure that your website is reachable, you may want to go ahead and then optimize your website for search engine. That is, do an SEO. So if you want to go ahead and then check whether your website is good enough for SEO, you can go around and utilize something called the SEO checklist. So to do that, you can go around over here onto setting, and then over here under promotion, you can see the SEO checklist. So here you can see that I have done some things which are actually necessary. For example, it says set a title for your site, which I have already done. And then I have set meta description for homepage and added multiple pages right here. But you can see that meta description for each page is missing. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, then what happens is that I am taken to that particular area, as you can see. So I'm going to go around over here and add in a custom title tag. Let's say, for example, home TutorTube page right here, just like this. And I'm going to say, let's say, for example, add in a meta description like homepage of TutorTube website, let's say, for example, and then click on save. Similarly, I can go around over here onto, let's say, for example, individual page right here and go to SEO right here. So you can see that this is the page right here, just like this. So you go to the SEO setting, you can go around over here and add in a custom title tag like TutorTube courses. So I'm just going to go around and say a list of courses on TutorTube, let's say, for example, right here. Let's do the same with the about right here in, let's say, for example, the SEO right here. So I'm going to say about page of TutorTube right here, and I'm going to say about page of TutorTube where you find more information about who we are, let's say, for example. So I can go ahead and type these in right here, and then I can go ahead and, let's say, for example, add in contact TutorTube team, let's say, for example, right here. You can go ahead and type that in, and this is what you have. So let's just go back over here onto settings, and then under the promotion, let's just go to SEO checklist, and you can see that set a meta description for each page is done as well. Here it says set a category, so I need to go ahead and set a category as I like. So I'm just going to go around and say something like a group or organization right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can see that I can set a social image as well. So I can go ahead and choose uploaded image right here, set that out, and even the favorite icon right here, fave icon, you can go ahead and set it out according to what I want as well. So you can see that there's some library that you have right here as well that you can access from. Go ahead and click on save right here. Let's go back, let's say, for example, and if I were to go around over here under settings, then on the promotion section and choose SEO checklist, you can see that everything is there. So you can see that there's a pro option to connect a custom domain as well. But everything else, the SEO checklist is now done, as you can see. If you still want to know like what each list is referring to, you can go ahead and click, and it goes to that particular page right here where you can see that I already have the title and category right here. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize out the SEO checklist inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.